What if your pots stayed vibrant all year without you lifting a finger? Imagine blooms, textures, and colors that thrive even when you forget to water. Today, I'll show you 17 lazy perennials that turn ordinary containers into effortless beauty. Most container gardens fail because annuals demand constant replanting, endless watering, and too much care. Busy lives don't leave room for that kind of maintenance. But these perennials are different. Plant them once, and they'll reward you with season-long color, fragrance, and resilience, no matter how hectic your schedule gets. Whether you're a balcony gardener, a backyard dreamer, or someone who just wants beauty without stress, these plants are your secret allies. And trust me, when we reach number 17, you'll discover a plant so tough it's practically a set it and forget it miracle. You're watching The Garden Sage, where we turn gardening into joy, not a chore. If you love effortless beauty and want more cinematic gardening wisdom, hit subscribe right now, because this is just the beginning of your stress-free garden journey. Sedum is the definition of effortless gardening. Its fleshy leaves act like tiny water tanks, storing moisture so the plant thrives even when you forget to water. In pots, Sedum creates a living carpet that spills over edges, adding texture and color. It's a survivalist. Poor soil, blazing sun, neglect, Sedum doesn't mind. Place it in a sunny corner, and it will reward you with star-shaped blooms that attract bees and butterflies. The best part? Sedum multiplies quietly, giving you more plants without effort. Imagine a balcony pot that looks alive even after a week of vacation. That's Sedum's gift. Lavender is fragrance, resilience, and beauty rolled into one. In pots, it thrives in poor soil and loves full sun. Overwatering kills it faster than drought. So the less you fuss, the better it grows. Its purple blooms perfume the air and naturally repel mosquitoes, making evenings outdoors more pleasant. Lavender's silvery foliage adds elegance year-round, while its flowers attract pollinators. Place it in a terracotta pot, let the roots breathe, and enjoy months of color and scent. Lavender turns your low-maintenance garden into a calming retreat, proving that neglect can be beautiful. Russian sage is a powerhouse of blooms. With silvery foliage and violet flowers, it thrives in containers with almost no care. Heat, drought, poor soil, Russian sage shrugs them off. Its airy texture adds movement to your pot garden, while its long bloom season, often 4 months, ensures continuous beauty. Bees and butterflies love it, and you'll love how little it asks in return. Russian sage is proof that elegance doesn't need effort, making it a must-have for lazy gardeners who still want drama. Hens and chicks are living art. Each hen produces chicks that spill over pot edges, creating a self-renewing display. Forget watering schedules. These succulents thrive on neglect. Their rosettes look sculpted, adding structure and charm to small pots, quirky containers, or even vertical gardens. They multiply effortlessly, so one plant quickly becomes many. Hens and chicks are a symbol of abundance without effort, perfect for gardeners who want beauty that takes care of itself. Catmint is a pollinator magnet that blooms for 6 months straight. Its soft purple flowers and aromatic leaves make it both beautiful and functional. In pots, catmint thrives with minimal care, tolerating drought and poor soil. Bees and butterflies flock to it, turning your balcony into a pollinator paradise. Its sprawling habit softens container edges, creating a natural, relaxed look. Catmint proves that lazy gardening can still be ecologically rich, giving you beauty and biodiversity without stress. Hostas bring bold foliage to shady corners. Their large leaves create instant drama in pots, and they thrive where other plants fail. Hostas are forgiving. They tolerate neglect, bounce back after drought, and return year after year. Their lush greens and variegated patterns make them a staple for low-maintenance gardeners who want impact without effort. Add them to shaded patios or under trees, and they'll transform dull spaces into lush retreats. Heuchera is a foliage star. With leaves in shades of burgundy, lime, and silver, it adds color long after flowers fade. In pots, it thrives with minimal care, tolerating shade and irregular watering. Heuchera's resilience makes it perfect for decorative containers, adding vibrancy without demanding attention. Its delicate flower spikes attract pollinators, but the real show is in the leaves. Heuchera proves that foliage can be as stunning as blooms, giving lazy gardeners year-round interest. Astilbe is elegance in feather form. Its plumes rise like soft clouds of pink, red, or white, bringing sophistication to shaded pots. Unlike many perennials, Astilbe thrives in containers, rewarding you with months of bloom. It asks for little, occasional watering, indirect light, and it's happy. The delicate look hides a tough nature. Astilbe tolerates neglect better than most shade plants. Place it in decorative pots near patios or shaded balconies, and watch how its feathery blooms transform dull corners into romantic retreats. For lazy gardeners, Astilbe is proof that refinement doesn't require effort. This fern is living art. Its fronds shimmer with silver, purple, and green, creating a painterly effect that looks hand-designed. Japanese painted fern thrives in low light, making it perfect for shaded patios or indoor corners. It asks for little care, occasional watering, and protection from harsh sun. In pots, it becomes a focal point, drawing attention with its unique colors. Its resilience makes it ideal for gardeners who want drama without maintenance. The Japanese painted fern proves that shade can be stunning and lazy gardening can still be artistic. Virginia is a year-round performer. Its bold, leathery leaves stay evergreen, providing structure even in winter. Come spring, clusters of pink blooms rise above the foliage, adding bursts of color. Virginia thrives in pots, tolerating poor soil, cold weather, and neglect. It's a plant that keeps giving, even when forgotten. Place it in a container by your doorway, and you'll enjoy beauty every season. Virginia is proof that low maintenance doesn't mean low impact. It's a perennial that works quietly, yet always delivers. Resilient. Black-eyed Susan is a burst of sunshine in a pot. Its golden petals and dark centers bloom non-stop, attracting pollinators and birds. This perennial thrives in full sun, tolerates drought, and asks for little care. Even after blooming, its seed heads feed wildlife, adding ecological value. Black-eyed Susan brightens any space, making it a favorite for lazy gardeners who want joy without effort. Place it in clusters for maximum impact and let nature do the rest. Lamb's ear is a tactile treasure. Its velvety leaves invite touch, adding softness and texture to pots. Surprisingly, it thrives on less water. The more you neglect it, the better it looks. Lamb's ear tolerates poor soil and drought, making it a true low-maintenance star. In containers, it spills gently over edges, creating a calming, silvery effect. It's proof that beauty can be effortless, turning ordinary pots into sensory experiences. For gardeners who forget to water, lamb's ear is the perfect companion. Daylilies are continuous bloomers, offering weeks of color with almost no care. Each flower lasts a single day, but new ones appear daily, ensuring non-stop beauty. In pots, daylilies thrive in sun, tolerate drought, and adapt to poor soil. Their resilience makes them perfect for busy gardeners who want impact without effort. With vibrant colors ranging from yellow to deep red, daylilies bring drama to containers. They're proof that lazy gardening can still deliver daily surprises. Ornamental grasses bring movement and texture year-round. In pots, they thrive with little care, tolerating drought and poor soil. Their swaying blades create dynamic displays, turning ordinary containers into living sculptures. Some varieties add golden plumes in fall, while others stay evergreen. Ornamental grasses prove that lazy gardening can be artistic, adding rhythm and flow to your space. Place them where breezes can catch their blades, and you'll have a garden that dances without effort. Coneflowers are tough natives that thrive in pots with almost no care. Their daisy-like blooms in shades of purple, pink, and white attract pollinators while resisting drought and poor soil. Coneflowers return year after year, making them a reliable choice for lazy gardeners. In containers, they stand tall, adding vertical interest and vibrant color. Their seed heads feed birds in autumn, extending their value beyond the bloom season. Coneflowers prove that native plants are the ultimate low-maintenance heroes, combining resilience with ecological richness. Place them in sunny pots, and they'll reward you with beauty that lasts. Hellebores are winter's secret gift. While most plants sleep, hellebores bloom in shades of white, pink, and purple, nodding gracefully in cold weather. In pots, they thrive with minimal care, tolerating neglect and frost. Their evergreen foliage adds structure year-round, while their winter flowers bring unexpected joy. Hellebores are perfect for gardeners who want beauty when everything else fades. They remind us that resilience can be stunning, and lazy gardening doesn't mean sacrificing seasonal magic. Place them near entryways or patios, and they'll surprise you with blooms when you least expect them. Evergreen sedum is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it perennial. Its fleshy leaves stay vibrant through every season, providing structure and color year-round. In pots, it thrives with no care, tolerating drought, poor soil, and neglect. Evergreen sedum is a survivalist, adding texture and life even in the harshest conditions. It's the plant that proves gardening can be effortless and enduring. For lazy gardeners, evergreen sedum is the crown jewel, a perennial that asks for nothing yet gives everything. These 17 lazy perennials prove that beauty doesn't have to be hard work. From sedum's survivalist charm to hellebore's winter magic, each plant is a reminder that gardening should be joy, not a chore. Plant once, enjoy forever. That's the secret to stress-free pot gardens. You've been watching The Garden Sage, where we turn simple ideas into cinematic gardening wisdom. If you found inspiration today, subscribe for more effortless beauty. Like this video to support the journey, and share it with friends who dream of low-maintenance gardens. And tell me in the comments, which perennial will you try first in your pots? Remember, the best gardens aren't the ones that demand your time. They're the ones that give it back. Until next time, keep growing joyfully and let your pots tell the story of effortless abundance.